3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, the clouds are trying to make their way out of the area. It's still a good covering across the region, though, and that's going to keep us a little bit on the warmer side tonight. But by the time we wake up tomorrow, a lot more sunshine across the area. Let's start with a look at the satellite radar picture. We'll take a look out over at the Gulf Coast. Clouds across much of the region. We had those showers earlier on. We had all of that moisture, everything that had been going on over in Texas finally ejected out of the area today. I was hoping it was going to go north of us, ended up just coming right along the I-10 corridor there, pushed its way out over towards the east. They're still going to deal with some showers out over through portions of the deep south. You're talking Alabama, Mississippi area where those storms are going to come rolling through. May end up with a couple strong storms tonight. For us, though, we're not going to see anything. We've got a lot of clear, drier air sitting just directly off towards our north. You've seen it creeping into parts of North Acadiana throughout the evening, and that process is going to continue through the rest of the night tonight. In fact, not too much going on now that we've had all the rainfall today and all the weather that we've had so far this week. We actually settled down now and really not too much going on here through the foreseeable future. Forecast, or futurecast really, is going to be fairly quiet. I'll take this up through lunch tomorrow. Not too much going on. There's still going to be plenty of moisture, though. Winds are going to be coming in out of the southwest and out of the Gulf of Mexico. Brings all that moisture in place. That's warm air, too. So it is going to get rather hot. We start to see the influence of high pressure, which is going to limit the showers quite a bit. And that's what we're looking at headed into the weekend as well. Storms and showers out over towards our east. Should not be making it down into Acadiana, though, so we're going to go mostly sunny skies. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid here over the next couple of days. We're going to get back on track for summertime. The clouds the last several days have kind of limited where our temperatures have been able to go. That's not going to be the case here for the weekend. By the time we get into Sunday, we may increase rain chances a bit, but you're talking going from 10% Friday and Saturday up to maybe 20% on Sunday. So not going to cancel any plans or anything on Sunday. It's really just mostly sunny skies all the way through the remainder of the forecast. It's not just the weekend, it's looking ahead into next week as well. Now, the thing to keep in mind is that the thermometer is going to say 90, 92, right around that range. The heat index, the feel-like temperature outside tomorrow, that's a number that's going to count. And this is what we're looking at, triple digits by 1 o'clock. You're basically upper 90s by 11 o'clock noon. This is northwards of the interstate, and they're going to run a little bit warmer, some of the inland parishes. But you start getting away from the Gulf of Mexico, you tend to start to see those temperatures going up a little bit. There's not much of a sea breeze at all. Now, the evenings may be a little bit on the cooler side, but still very, very hot even as you go into the overnight hours. Down along I-10, similar looking situation through Lafayette, Crowley, getting out over towards Jennings and Brobridge as well. The warm up may be a little bit slower than what you'll see northwards, but only by a degree or so. And you're still talking anywhere from really 100, 102, 103 maybe on your heat index for tomorrow. Actually getting hotter for both Saturday and Sunday. I think if you're looking to escape the heat, the only place you may have any kind of chance, and it's still going to be very, very hot, is down towards the coastline. If you can catch the sea breeze in the shade, you may have a bit of a shot. But again, temperatures and feel like temperatures still going to be sitting in the upper 90s, and the evenings are actually going to be muggier and a bit warmer as you do have that influence from the Gulf of Mexico. It tends to keep the temperatures a little bit warmer once the sun goes down. For tonight, though, temperatures getting down to around 76 degrees. We still have some of those clouds, but they've been breaking up. They've been thinning out. We're going to see that process continue tonight. Mostly sunny skies as we get into tomorrow. 92 degrees for your high. A 10% chance for an isolated shower. A bit breezy tomorrow afternoon. Winds down to the southwest at 8 to 12 miles an hour. Look at your 5-day forecast. Plenty of sunshine through the weekend into next week and beyond. In fact, we'll see those lows stay in the mid-70s. We'll see the highs in the lower 90s. Heat index in the 100s.
And it kind of felt like the longest day of the year out there today, you know?
It did.
The air was
and
heavy.
With the clouds gone now, I think it will feel longer than
even more so, huh?
Stuck outside, yeah.
All right, thanks.